Today, we're going to learn how to grow a plant and maintain health and sustainability in our ecosystem. Many of today's farmers use hydroponic systems to grow some of the vegetables we eat. The vocabulary today is hydroponics. Hydroponics is a method of growing plants without soil by using water that is rich in nutrients. Here is a picture of what we are going to learn today. A seed coat. A seed coat, that is the protective outer coat of a seed. Embryo, a natural resource that helps plants grow. Cotyledon, the primary leaf of the embryo of seed plants. And one more term, germination, to develop into a plant or individual as a seed, spore, or bulb. What you will need today are scissors, a plastic bowl, a plastic cup, rock wool, and the seed that we're going to grow is basil. It's a basil. We're going to take 2 seeds from the basil seed package, and we're getting ready to grow some basil. So what you have to do is take your rock wool. Well, you see the incision here. You take the seed and you put the seeds in the incision, at least 2 seeds. Then you take your plastic cup. You have to make holes at the bottom so that the water will be able to get in and out. So you cut 4 holes, 1, 2, 3, 4. Just enough. They're slits, more like slits. And you take your plastic bowl, you put your cup there, then you take your rock wool, which you can purchase at any hardware store. You can also purchase the greens at any hardware store. Any plants you can purchase at any hardware store. And you put your rock wool in the cup, but before you put the rock wool in the cup, you put clay so that you'll have some soil, because soil gives the seed nutrients. And then you put your rock wool on top of the pebbles, the clay pebbles, and then you take your water and you pour your water over your seed, which will be in the rock wool, and then you let the water the water run through the rock wool, the pebbles, and into the bowl. You don't want a lot, but you want enough just to get it saturated. I hope that you try this at home. Thank you.